Alright, so 2010 Honda Pilot, replacing the seal cover gasket for this solenoid. Common leak right here. So it was all like, if you can see around there, it was leaking. So I went to Honda. They said they changed the whole part, they don't keep the seals. So went to auto parts and got the part, and I'm gonna replace the both ones, the top and the one underneath it. Alright, so I just got the brake cleaner and I'm gonna clean this up properly, this and this tray, and then I'm gonna put the new one that I got back in. Solenoid seal that I removed, the one that was at the bottom, and as you guys can see, it was cracked from here, and therefore the solenoid was leaking, and this is like stiff hard. So I changed it and now the leak has stopped. And Honda wanted me to buy the entire solenoid for $300, just the part itself. So I got these for 36 bucks, and they were pretty easy to replace. Replace both of them. And this was also like pretty dirty. I wasn't able to clean this with the brake cleaner, so I just installed the new one that came with it, with the new seals. And I also changed the bolts as well. These are 10 millimeters, so you just need to remove three 10 millimeter bolts. This should be on the top, and then you remove this, and then this should be at the bottom, and you should be able to replace them pretty easy.